Hello, my name is Angela Owens with Phenomenal Business Solutions, and I help car dealerships streamline their finances, increase their profits, and grow their businesses. Today, I'm going to be talking with you about how floor plans quietly drain profits. So, floor plans are a way that you can get some funding to pay for your inventory. And sometimes it can be very unpredictable because it's not operating like a traditional loan or line of credit. And so it's very easy for these fees and costs to sneak up on you and take away from your profit. So today I'm going to be going over some things that you should pay attention to. So this topic matters because floor plan costs don't hit all at once. They accumulate quietly over time, and most dealers only notice when the cash is getting tight. And by then, your profit is already gone. And the problem with out of sight costs is that interest accrues daily, curtailments hit on a schedule, and fees post after the fact, and the profit disappears before you even feel it. Like I was saying, with a traditional loan or line of credit, you can kind of predict exact how much money you're going to be spending every month or whatever intervals. But with these floor plans, these fees are on different schedules. The daily interest is a slow leak. The interest starts the day that you purchase the car, and a higher ACV means higher daily costs. And the longer days to sell equals less profit. And most dealers are not tracking their daily interest. And the curtailments can catch you off guard. Principal payments are due before the car sells because you only have a certain amount of time. And if you don't sell the car fast enough, you still have to pay that off. And then multiple curtailments can stack quickly, and it creates sudden cash pressure. So you might end up selling your car for less than what you would have normally sold it for just so that you can pay it off. And then, like I said, often forces panic decisions. And then your aging fees and overages. They have the 45, 60, and 90-day thresholds, and fees increase as your car sits on your lot longer. And slow movers quietly erase the margins, and aging impacts cash flow more than pricing. So if you're not paying attention to this, you might not know that you need to take certain vehicles off of the floor plan so that they're not costing you more money by sitting on your lot. And then we got the title related fees. Missing or delayed titles could trigger penalties. Title release fees add up. Paperwork delays increase holding time, and administrative issues become profit issues. Then you have audit and compliance costs. You got audit fees, penalties for missing vehicles, fees for incomplete files. Poor processing creates unnecessary expenses. So this may not apply to every floor plan, but make sure that you look at the paperwork that you're signing for the floor plan so that you can understand what all is included and what fees are going to be costing you for the particular company that you're working with. And recon delays that cost more than you think. So regardless of how long it takes for your car to make it to be ready to sell, it is still accruing interest from the day that you purchase. And then, so delaying push vehicles into higher aging buckets. And then interest accrues with zero sales activities, and process inefficiency equals lost profit. So if you have a car that's taking longer for you to repair and it's costing you more to repair, you are eating away at your profit on both ends, from the repair and the interest and fees from the floor plan. So pay attention to that because it may be a good idea to pay that car off so that it's not sitting on your floor plan anymore. So here we got the compounding effect, which is interest plus curtailments plus aging fees and delaying sales, and the small cost will stack into big losses. So here's some blind spots. It's not reviewing floor plan statements monthly, ignoring daily interest impact, and overflooring inventory and no accountability for aging vehicles. And the overflooring is really a big one because it's very tempting when they raise the limit that you are able to get your vehicles for. It's tempting to just go ahead and max out the floor plan, but that could really catch you in the long run because especially if the vehicles are not leaving the lot as fast as they need to. So you should be tracking weekly the floor plan balance, interest accrued to date, vehicles approaching curtailment, and inventory aging by buckets. And so you can stop the profit drain by reducing days on recon completion, set strict aging policies, limit overflooring, track floor plan cost intentionally. So floor plans are a tool, not a profit strategy. Control comes from visibility, and visibility creates better decisions. So the final takeaway from today is that floor plans don't destroy profit overnight. They drain it quietly. Awareness is the first fix, and management is the solution. So if you need help with managing your floor plan and monitoring it and make sure that you are able to make quick decisions to keep the floor plans from eating away at your profits, you can book an appointment with me at angelaJowens.com/calendar for your free profit and cash flow analysis. And if you haven't already downloaded my ebook, you can go to angelaJowens.com/5 mistakes and make sure you're following me on all my social medias. And I look forward to hearing from you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.